Finally, by guess that's we have earthquakes. We have earthquakes in Texas. We have earthquakes in Texas. We have earthquakes in Bay Lake. We have earthquakes in New York City, United States. Or we have earthquakes in Ohio or Canada or Mexico. We have earthquakes in Russia. That's so funny. We have earthquakes in Russia. We have earthquakes in Russia. We have earthquakes in France or Italy. That's so funny by guess. So we have earthquakes in Texas. That's so funny by Gelsos. We have earthquakes part of the storm in Texas. That's so funny by Gels by Gelsos.